A.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London
B.
Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
C.
Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and
D.
stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones,
E.
my fair lady.
F. G.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all
H.
fall down, all fall down. Sticks and
I.
stones will all fall down, my fair lady.
J.
Build it up with wood and clay, wood
K.
and clay, wood and clay. Build it
L.
up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
M. N.
Wood and clay will wash
O.
away, wash away, wash away.
P.
Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build
Q.
it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel.
R.
Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady.
S. T. U. V.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will
W.
bend and bow, my fair lady.
X.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling
Y.
down. London Bridge is falling down, my
C.
fair lady.
1. 2. 3. 4.
know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
5.
Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on
6.
Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin
7.
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we
8.
know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
9. 10. Let's go coloring.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man
A for
who
apple.
lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. The
B for ball.
Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
C for cat. D for doll. E for egg.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
F for frog.
The Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
G for glass.
The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury
H for hat. I for igloo. J for jam. K for kite. L for lamb. M for man. N for net. O for onion. P for pen. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
X for xylophone.
Painted blue, little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted
Y for yacht.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
C for zebra.
Loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my
1.
loo.
One cat sleeps.
Darling.
Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas
2.
2 by
2
2.
birds fly.
Off to Texas 2 by 2. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
3. 3 dogs play.
Skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
4. 4 cars go. 5. 5 flowers bloom. 6. 6 kids laugh.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do?
7. 7 butterflies dance.
Darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo,
8.
loo,
8 monkeys jump.
skip to my loo, my darling.
Found my partner, love is true.
9. 9 fish swim.
Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to
10.
my loo.
10 balloons pop.
Skip to my loo.
Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. C. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for egg. F for frog. G for glass. H for hat. I for igloo. J for jam. K for kite. L for lamb. M for man. N for net. O for onion. P for pen. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. C for zebra. 1. One cat sleeps. 2. Two birds fly. 3. Three dogs play. 4. Four cars go. 5. Five flowers bloom. 6. Six kids laugh. 7. Seven butterflies dance. 8. Eight monkeys jump. 9. Nine fish swim. 10. 10 balloons pop. Please like and subscribe to my channel.